Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Have you been looking for a place where you can write like 1,000 word article and get paid $100 or even up to $140 for every 1,000 word article you write? Then make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll be sharing with you a website, a writing website, a freelance website that is better than Fiverr and Upwork put together. Stay tuned, because I'll be showing you exactly that. So the website we're going to be looking at today is a website called composely.com. Here is the website. On this website, it says make money writing, get top paying freelance writing jobs from clients in various industries, work with Composely and get paid one of the highest rates on the market. So on this website, if you write like 1,000 word article on this website, you can be getting something like $100 or $140. Look at what it says there. Make money, make more money. Composely offers one of the highest rates on the market on average. Our writers earn between 10 and 14 cents per word. That means if you write 1,000 word article on composely.com, on Composely, you're going to be getting $100 when you get paid 10 cents per word. However, if you write 1,000 word article, when you're going to be getting 14 cents per word, that's going to be $140 for every article you write. So that's the reason why this website is better than Upwork and Fiverr put together when it comes to writing jobs. So the reason why, let's look at this. Reasons why you want to choose this site over Fiverr and Upwork. Number one is amount to earn. If you jump onto Fiverr right now, like I'm going to do, click onto Fiverr, you're going to see that the average amount you will earn for every article you write, this one is $20, this one sells for $30, this one sells for $45, this one $20, this one is $40, this one is $25, this one $35, this one $20. So the average you'll be making on Fiverr for writing jobs is between like $10 or $5 to $50. And if you jump onto Upwork and check the same thing, you will see that this person is earning like $65 per hour, this person $20 per hour, this person $25 per hour, this person $65 per hour, this person $70 per hour, this person $100 per hour, this person $25 per hour, this one $60 per hour. But on Composely, the minimum you can earn is $100 when it comes to 1,000 word article. So I encourage you to jump onto this website and write, because on this website you earn the world's like one of the highest rates on the market when it comes to writing job, email writing, copywriting, article writing, blog posts, or anything that has to do with writing. This website is going to be paying you one of the highest rates on the market. So make sure you jump onto composely.com, create a gig and write, because on this website you earn one of the world's highest rates when it comes to writing. And how you're going to get onto this website and become a writer, you have to apply to be a writer, where you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and link to your portfolio. And where it says link to portfolio, it has to be in like link to your previous works you've done before. Maybe you've written articles for some people or written emails. What you're going to do is to go to a website called medium.com. When you get to medium.com, you can create a free account. Then you write like 5 to 10 different articles on Medium. Then you copy a link to your Medium portfolio and put it here where it says link to portfolio. That way you're going to get approved within like a day or two, and once you get approved, you can write articles for clients on this website and get paid $100 to $140 a minimum. So make sure you do that and make more money for yourself on this website. Thank you once again for watching. That's going to be about it for this video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, because my next video is going to be about more ways to make money online. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.